Because you hear something being peddled by the media, that doesn't mean it's necessarily true. I'm going to give you a statistic at the end of this clip, and I need you to take it into deep consideration based on what they each say. Listen carefully.
I've seen a lot
Hi,
of.
thank you so much for having me.
I've seen a lot of your clips, and I can't help but think whether you actually mean half the things that you say, and whether you're just trying to get attention. Do you actually believe in what you say, or are you just trying to stir the pot?
Well, a lot of people have that reaction. A lot of people have that question. I don't know why it
What's
should
the
be
answer?
weird that I don't know why it should be weird that a gay guy would be skeptical or fearful of Islam. I don't see anything strange about a gay person liking the Bible and liking the First Amendment and liking low taxes. I don't find anything odd about me, really. In order to find me peculiar or strange, or in order to think that perhaps I'm putting it on, you have to sign up to this idea of identity politics, which suggests that just because somebody is black or gay or a woman, they have to have particular political or ideological positions. I reject that idea.
Well,
I like
I
to think
don't
that
care whether you're gay or whatever. I'm just saying, you know, some of the things are just so outrageous, and the way you put them, I think, is he like a real life Borat that's just out there to make fun of everyone and
Well, what do you
get
think is
followers?
outrageous? What do you think that I've said is outrageous?
Well,
Give me
you've
something,
called
and
rape
perhaps I can explain it for
you've
you.
called rape culture a fantasy. You've likened feminism to cancer. You've said that women on the pill don't look
Both,
right, they don't talk right. But you suggest that
Well,
we
all
don't.
those things are true.
Okay, you said that
All
you
those
say.
things are true.
Do you really
rape
believe
culture
it?
on
Though?
American college campuses, to say that there is a rape culture implies that there is a system or an environment which encourages rape. That doesn't exist on American college campuses. And just to believe in the statistics that feminists peddle, that's 1 in 4, 1 in 5 women is going to be sexually assaulted in her time on campus, you'd have to believe that American college campuses have rape rates that approach those of the Congo, where rape is used as a weapon of war. We don't reward rapists in our society. We put them in prison. On the feminism question, women agree with me. 4/5 of American women do not describe themselves as feminists, and just 7% of British women describe themselves as feminists. I would imagine that Australia, being a very sensible country, would share those views too. It's only journalists who insist on political positions and insist on feminism in public. Actual people at home agree with me.
I've heard you say that with almost every interview that I saw you do. But on your statement...
Then you should ask different questions, darling.
Okay, this statistic is from 2021. The United States population for women was at 167.5 million. Right? That's 167,500,000. Out of that, the number of assaults, let's just call it that, let's not use the R word, was 144,300. Now, that is still a high number, but put it in perspective. What percentage is that really? That is 0.08% of the population just of women. A very tiny percentile. Should it happen? Obviously not. It should not. It's unacceptable. And as he said, you put these people in prison. But to make it seem like there is a culture where this number would be exponentially higher, it's a flat out lie. Do your own research. She just got owned and could not handle it. It's spitting raw facts. Subscribe to the channel for more hard-hitting content. Until next time, I'm out.